Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is the 69 Firebird. This baby's an award winner, highly optioned, numbers matching. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that numbers matching 400. We're gonna go out and drive it. Matter of fact, I've already driven it. It drives like a dream. We're gonna look at the interior. We're gonna look inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Firebird investment. So come on up and let's fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. The chrome on the nose looks good. Now this is the original forest green color on the car. The car originally came forest green, and they went to the trouble of actually doing it in lacquer, just like it would have been done back in the day. All the lines look good. Look how tight that line is on the hood. Everything lines up here good, and this rubber is always all beat up on these cars, and this rubber is beautiful. The emblems look good. The red line tires are what would have come in the day. The wheel lip moldings look good. All the trim looks good. Rocker molding looks good. All the stainless is in beautiful shape. Door handle looks great, and look at the way that door fits. Nice and flush. The line's nice and straight. See how nice that operated? Look how nice and clean all this is. You can see they actually took the latch out when they did the restoration. The rubber here looks good. The door panel's in beautiful shape. The emblems on the door panel look good. All the wood grain on the dash is in good shape. That steering wheel's in beautiful shape. Carpeting looks like it was, the car was originally restored back in the 90s. This is probably the 90s carpeting. It's showing a little bit of fade. We do have 3 seat belts in the rear. The upholstery on the back seat doesn't look like it was ever set in. Front seats look great. And look at those lenses on the gauges. Nice and clear. The faces on the gauges are nice and clean. The dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. And if you want to check out a bunch of pictures of the car with the top up, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We got pictures of the top up, the top down. When I'm out driving it, I got the top down. It is a power top. We show you that in the video also, the power top going down. You can see the jack, the spare tire, original shakers in there. The coatings look great. All the paintwork in here looks good. The rubber here looks good. You always want to check the lips on the deck lid also. They're in beautiful shape. When you look down the side of the car, look how nice and straight it is. Just a beautiful job on this car, guys. Like I said, it's won many awards at the Pontiac shows. The car is amazing, highly optioned. Now, at Vanguard Motor Sale, we own all of our vehicles here. Right now, we have a little over 220 cars in stock, and we own every one of those cars. Now, we buy about 40 cars every month, and I'm involved in buying every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience in the muscle car industry, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's go for a ride in this beautiful Firebird convertible here, guys. You want to talk about a nice driver. Where do you want to go? Let's go for a road trip. I'm ready to go. This Firebird's sweet, guys. Beautiful car here, beautiful restoration, driving great. Of course, the top goes down. We got a beautiful day here for convertible. It's about 70 degrees out, the sun's out, blue sky. I don't know if they make a better day to take a drive in a convertible. This Firebird's sweet. Already had all kind of people. We've been having a heck of a time even getting this video done. We have so many people pulling up to us and wanting to talk to us about this beautiful car. Now, Tommy can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just give him a call at 248-974-9513. He will park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. So give him a call. We are professional shippers. We also can help you with financing on the car. We've got 3 bankers we work with right now on financing, so we can get this car financed and get this dream in your drive. You see down here on the dash, looks like my temp gauge is working, a fuel gauge, oil pressure, speedo's working. Everything on the dash looks great. You know, we put the top down so it is a power top. Looks like it's got the stock AM FM radio in it. It does shift on the column. The steering wheel looks great. The dash pad looks awesome. Brakes are stopping us nice and easy, nice and straight. Motor's running great. Just an amazing vehicle here, guys. We'd love to have you come out and visit us. You know, our shop's only 20 minutes from the airport, so if you'd like to fly out, we'd love to have you come out, check out our inventory, check out this Firebird, and we'll get this baby parked in your driveway. Now, we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this beautiful car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna pop the hood, see what's making the power. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision. Now, here's our building here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath the Firebird now, and she's just as pretty underneath. You can see the new tank, new muffler, new exhaust. The pipes look great. The drop downs look awesome. Looks like the spring packs were rebuilt. Looks like the shocks are fairly new. Now on the brakes, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Right around a 307 gear in here. We rolled it over to count it. It is an open rear end. Good looking, these are probably resonators here. We've got good looking floorboards here. It looks like a brand new brake line and fuel lines going front to back. Everything under here looks amazing. The bushings look like they've been replaced. The pinch welds look good. Turbo 400 trans is not numbers matching. Bottom side of the motor's nice and clean. We do have disc brakes up front. It looks like all that's brand new. Sway bar bushings look new. Ball joints look like they're new. The guys will check out the steering gear. The cross member looks nice and tight. The core support looks good. The chin spoiler looks great. The chrome on the front bumper, the paint on the rear lower valance here, everything is amazing on this car, guys. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here we've got red lines, and these are, let's see if I can find the size. There it is. Is that it? Yep, F70 14s on some Firestones. Let's check the rear. Out back, same good looking tire, same good looking wheel. You always want to check these wheel lips. That wheel lip feels nice and clean. Bottom side of the rockers and the rocker moldings are looking great. Pinch weld looks great. Always check the spring pocket here, and I always take a look at the low spot in the frame right here on every one of these. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we do have the numbers matching 400 powering it up. Looking great too. Pontiac intake on it, power brakes, power steering, everything's nice and clean here. She's looking great. Firewall looks good, inner wheel houses look good. The whole front nose area here, all this metal work's been all cleaned up and painted, looking great. Fiberglass on the bottom side of the hood looks good. Carb looks like it's period correct. It's an amazing build. The air cleaner also looks period correct. Guys, this car is sweet. Like I said, award-winning car here. Top goes down. She's gorgeous. And it's got a 400 numbers matching. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.